So good evening everyone, as I'm a defense aspirant and my SSB is on 29th July in Mysore, so I'm preparing for my personal interview. So I do not find any IO for me to take my interview. So I'm taking interview of myself. So it could help you also because there are some probable question that could be asked in the AFSB or SSB NSB, whatever you are saying, whatever you think. So let's start. So I have my PIQ and the first question will be asked to me about my place. So I live in Jabalpur. So the question will be from Jabalpur. So the question will be asked like first of all how I came to Mysore or any of the place that you are going. So as I'm going to Mysore, so I will talk about it like I to in that position. Sir, I took train from Jabalpur to Itarsi. Then I halted for 2 hours. Then I took Rajdhani Express. Then I reached Bangalore. Then after that, I took a general coach of any of the train that available at that time. So I reached Mysore. I took one hotel, and in the next day I came for SSB. Now this is the first question. Now second question could be asked like I am from Jabalpur. So the whole question will tell me about Jabalpur. Simple question. So I will tell that. Sir, Jabalpur is a judicial capital of Madhya Pradesh. It is also called Sanskar Dhani. It has so Rishi Jabali, Saint Jabali meditated here, so it is called Jabalpur, and 12 lakh people around 12 lakh people around live here, and most of the people are in government or some unorganized sector. Talking about defense, Jabalpur is center of Grenadiers and Jammu and Kashmir Rifles. It has also gun carriage factory, vehicle factory, and ordnance factory. For tourism, it has a bank of River Narmada, the shining marble rocks, wait, Bandar Kudni, and the fort of Raja Madan. Now the famous what junk food or food in Jabalpur is Badkul ki jalebi. That is all over India famous because the Khowa jalebi originated from Jabalpur, and also the Poha jalebi of MP famous. And Jabalpur is also the originator of the game snooker. Now this is all about Jabalpur. Now the second question will be asked to me specifically because I live in Jabalpur but I am from Podi Gadwal. So the third question will be asked to me that tell me about Podi Gadwal or about your village. So I will tell that sir I live in Mansari village of Vatti Chauthan, block Thelisand, जिला पौड़ी गढ़वाल इन उत्तराखंड ऐसा बोल दूंगा. सो अब इसमें क्वेश्चन पूछेगा टेल मी इफ आई गो टू उत्तराखंड बिकॉज उत्तराखंड इज अ माउंटेनियस एरिया सो देयर आर सम टूरिज्म sector available in Uttarakhand. So if they will ask me that where you will take me for tourism, so then I will give him some of the point like sir as I live in mountains or in hilly region, I can enjoy you the what we call mountaineering, trekking, our traditional trekking in which will not use any type of food and materials. We will only use a chappal or simple clothes without any water. We will reach to the mountain and we will do meditation here. Then we will come back. Second thing we will do is the Gadhira, our water reservoir area in which we can enjoy the fishing and also the swimming. Third is that there are many temples in Uttarakhand that are famous for the Nakashi or the scriptures that it has written. So we can go here and read all about them and हम उसको निहार भी सकते हैं. So this is all about some places in which I belong to. Now all the things done, then it could ask some of the GK question like who is the governor of Uttarakhand and who is the CM of Uttarakhand like Pushkar Singh Dhami, and when Uttarakhand was formed. So it was 9 November 2000. And yeah, about your district like हाँ कितने जिले हैं ये सब छोटे मोटे से तब पूछेगा नहीं. Now after that the CIQ will come. CIQ will based on first it will ask you about your education till 8 till now, then subject you like the most and grades you achieved, then CCA activity, then friends, then teachers. Mainly you have to see the briefed point of it like education, subject like the most and grades, CCA, friend and teacher. There are some internal question of it but you should remember only this. Then tell about what you want to tell. Then first question will be education from 8 till now. So sir, I studied in KV. I am a KVN from 8th till 12th. I mean for first to 12th, and then in the 8th I scored 90 percentages. In the ninth, I scored 82%. In tenth it was a COVID period, and I scored 94.4 marks. And in 11th, I took physics, chemistry, maths, English, Hindi, and I scored 71% in 11th. In 12th, I scored 77.2 percentages, and I passed the 12th. Then I took a BA Economics in my undergraduation, and got the college in Mahakaushal College of Arts and Commerce. And I recently gave the first year exam, and the result is awaited. Then इसमें कोई subject, the first question is completed. Then the subject I like the most, the subject I do not like. उससे पहले grade होगा. So sir, in 10th I scored, I am a topper in SST and scored 98 out of 100. And in 12th I was the topper of Hindi in our Hindi department, and I scored 93 out of 100. उसके बाद पूछेगा subject I like the most. Subject I like the most are geography and Hindi. Geography, Hindi and English. Grades वो हो गया. And CCA, how many activity you performed in CCA? So sir, I did skit and group song in the CCA activity. Skit from 5th class onward, and group song from 7th till my 11th and 12th classes. I did group song. अब उसके बाद आएगा friend. So from class first I have some permanent friends like Aman Pandey, Aman Agrawal, Aman Kogrele, Pramit, Akriti, Vani, Jinisha and Sheetal and Rhythm. Yeah, and Vivek Bhai and Rishabh. These are my friends. Then friends का हो गया अब. And I am वही अगर उसके इंटरनल क्वेश्चन आएगा उसमें बोल सकते हैं आई एम क्लोज टू अमन पांडे फ्रॉम whom you are close to, you are supposed to tell. Then teachers, all the teachers I like the most. I like all the teachers I like, but the teacher who influenced me the most is our PGT English teacher. That was Sanjeev Kumar Rai sir. He influenced me because first of all he was from the defense background. Like he had cleared CDS OTA examination. However, he failed in the medical examination. So he prepared me in my written as well as SSB, because he is a English teacher. So and English portion is prevalent in NDA. So he prepared me the vocabulary and the idiom and phrases parts. Second thing is also he prepared me from SSB, like for English speaking, and also some of the key points that are happened in SSB, especially in the personal interview. How could you tackle? And second thing is that his English teaching style is very different from other, because in English teacher he do not tell me to read the line, but just to imagine what is happening in the story and give to the conclusion. Then third thing is that he is like a comical person who teaches us with comedy, so I like the most about it. And fourth is that he read paragraph and we could understand it very well, because his reading is very fluent. And whenever the tough part come or tough words come, he gave its alternative to us also, so that we could understand and we could imagine. That's what I like the most. And my अब पूछेगा हाँ एजुकेशन फाइनेंस, हाउ योर एजुकेशन फाइनेंस. तो वो सबका अलग अलग होता है. मेरा माई फादर इज़ अ गवर्नमेंट टीचर, सो he has a decent salary around 65,000 per month, so I can easily finance my education. And my education not very much. My college fees is around 6.5k. Yeah, so it is very easy to finance. So अब क्वेश्चन आएगा कि 10th में 94.4 थे, 12th जैसे ही आया वैसे ही तुम्हारी ग्रेड हो गया 77.2. तो उसका मुझे रीज़न बताओ. तो रीज़न होगा सिंपल सर. 10th in the 10th it was a lockdown period, so I was completely free, and I only did two tasks. First is studying the 10th syllabus, and second is playing an online game like PUBG, that is currently BGMI. In the in the 11th and 12th, in the 11th I became a bit casual, because it was a post lockdown period and we are emerging from the from another phase. So I became very casual in the studies, and it was irregular class. And in the 12th class, I was bifurcated in different work, like in the CCA as well as for the NDA written preparation, and for class 12th studies like physics, chemistry, maths. And the physics, chemistry especially as portion which required a decent time to study, and I could not pay much attention to those subjects, and that was the result of declining of marks in my 12th class. And I scored like 60 to 65 numbers in both the subjects. So that was the decline of my marks, and I could not score above average marks in my 12th. तो ये मेरा रीज़न हो जाएगा. तो आप पूछेगा वाई फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री में इतने कम क्यों है. So sir, simple thing that I could not pay much attention and time to physics chemistry because it requires a decent amount of time to tackle and to understand, and I could not tribute my time to that. ये हो जाएगा. अब बोलेंगे कॉलेज में आएंगे. हाँ, जेई क्यों नहीं दिया. जेई दे तो मैं वो बोलूँगा कि फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री, माई बेस ऑफ फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री वॉज वीक. So I was sure that I could not score decent marks, decent percentile or CRL in JEE to get shortlisted for TS, because in my time the TS cutoffs were going high like 2 lakh, and I was not sure that I could score that much, so I did not fill the form. अब पूछिएगा कॉलेज में क्या कर रहे हो. ठीक है, तो मैं कॉलेज में पढ़ रहा हूँ. पहले बताया कॉलेज में क्या कर रहे हो और उसका फ्यूचर क्या होगा. So sir, I am in Mahakaushal Arts and Commerce College of State University in Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh. I am pursuing a BA Economics honors and first year is completed. The future aspect of it is that after BA Economics, I should undergo with the masters. It will vary if I want to pursue in the Indian Economic Services or Indian Statistical Services. Then I will do MA Statistics and MA Economics. Also the MA Econometrics or data analysis, all the things can be done after doing MA Economics. Second thing is that I can do MBA in finance and in marketing. In both the field I can go in the corporate sector and can go in the MBA HR. I can also go and pursue in the human resource or in the finance of the different companies and secure a good package and live a life if I could not get into the armed forces of my medical reason. If so या बोलेंगे कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम क्या दिया, तो मैं बोलूँ था CUT दिया था. तो आई गेव CUT एंड आई स्कोर्ड good marks and get selected for the round in the round 1 in the BHU, but I could not join BHU BA Economics because at that time I was undergoing in the re-medical in the BS hospital and my sample was given to them. I asked permission from them to go to the college for document verification, but my blood sample was already gone, so they did not allow me. So I have full backup option also because I got the admission in the State University of Jabalpur. So I thought that my first priority should be the re-medical, because if I get selected then I will join NDA. However, I could not join at that time, so that's why I left BHU. अब पूछेगा कि CCA में क्या करा, क्योंकि मैंने बोला है कि 12th में मैं CCA में भी था, है ना. तो CCA का मुझे बताना है कि मैं क्या था. So sir, CCA, I was the co-curricular activity captain of my school, as well as I was a cleaners monitor of 11th and 12th class. And my work CCA work start from July till the end of December. The work start from investiture ceremony and ends with annual sports meet or annual function. The work are different, like group activities and also the Teachers' Day, Children's Day, in which the CCA captain has to work. And for the cleanliness, there are some jurisdiction for ourselves. Like my is the main campus of a school where prayer happens. So if there are any problem or anything that the cleanliness has not been done, so I have to report to the sweepers or their mukaddam. If the mukaddam is not available and the sweepers are not paying attention to it, then I will go for a principal, then ask me to coordinate with it, and then the principal will take action. This is the work of me, and I should also regulate and check whether all the class are clean or not in the 3-day basis. Diverse. अब ऐसे why you choose CCA? Because CCA is a diverse department for me, because it will get me exposure with different type of group activities, solo song and solo activities, as well in the sports activities. CCA captain has a work and in the investiture activity and a great work in the annual sport meet or annual functions. So that's why I choose CCA. अब मैं बोलूँगा मैंने ग्रुप सॉन्ग का स्किट किया है. तो आई डिड स्किट फ्रॉम 5th class onward till my 11th 12th class, and group song from 7th class onward. स्टिक में अकबर बिरोल को मैं बोल दूंगा, सम क्लीननेस बोल दूंगा, कॉमेडी स्किट बोल दूंगा. और ग्रुप सॉन्ग मैं बोल दूंगा पैट्रियोटिक सॉन्ग्स लाइक मेरी देश की धरती सोना उगले उगले हीरे मोती, या वंदे मातरम बोल दूंगा, माँ तुझे सलाम। ये सब हो जाएगा। अब बोलेंगे फ्रेंड के बारे में बताओ। फ्रेंड कौन कौन है, वो तो मैंने बताया चुका है कि अमन पांडे, प्रमित, विवेक भाई, ऋषभ भाई, अमन अग्रवाल, अमन कुकरेले, वानी, आकृति, सोनम, जिनिशा एंड रिदम एंड शीतल, these आर माई फ्रेंड्स। बोल दूंगा, ठीक है। अब क्वालिटी पूछेगा अमन की और प्रमित की, क्योंकि ये दो मेरे क्लोज फ्रेंड है। तो अमन की क्वालिटी है, अमन इज़ अ गुड डिप्लोमेटिक, सेकेंड इज़ अ गुड बार्गेनर, and third is very cooperative. When I will call him, when I call, he is always present for me, whether of the work that I have to done with him, he is always available for me. अब प्रमित की क्वालिटी मुझे पता नहीं है, साला बता भी नहीं रहा है। तो हम क्या क्या करते हैं, अब ये पूछेगा कि तुम फ्रेंड हो तो तुम क्या क्या करते हो। तो मैं बताऊंगा, वी डू चिट चैट्स, समटाइम वी सेट इन अ डेफिनेट लोकेशन and talk with them, mainly in the outdoor area. We can also do outdoor activity like sometime running, swimming, that I did with Aman Pandey, and sometime in gym I did with Pramit. And also go to the different outdoor area for outing like the Bargi Dam, like the Dumna Nature Park, and some waterfalls in the river of Narmada. We go for outing, and sometimes we play games like online games, sometimes PUBG whenever we get time. So these are activity we do. Sometimes play cricket also. अब पूछेगा, हाँ अब इसके बीच में ना यहाँ पर ग्रुप एक्टिविटी आएगी, ठीक है। हाँ, अब पूछेगा कि क्रिकेट में क्या करा है, ठीक है। तो मैं बोलूँगा कि आई प्ले क्रिकेट फ्रॉम 2015 onward till now, means from my 5th class onward. I am a right arm leg spinner. I do wrist spinning also. The achievement I did, first of all I play in the open category, not from any school, not from any club, or a open team in which we make team from different players and we play in the tennis cricket. And the achievement I did like 5 wicket in a inning and player of the match, a high wicket taker. And second thing I did in my school is that from 2016 till 2018, I played kabaddi, and I scored best defender award in that. And two time I scored, our team scored silver medal in it. हाँ, तो ये हो जाएगा कंप्लीट। और क्रिकेट के बारे में कुछ पूछ सकता है कि क्रिकेट का क्या क्या है, वो अभी नहीं पूछना, वो भाड़ में जाए। अब आ जाएगा, एक मैं पानी पी लूँ मैं। अब क्वेश्चन आएगा फादर मदर को रिलेटेड आएगा, लाइक फादर मदर हो गया, ब्रोसेस हो गया। तो पहले पूछेंगे फादर मदर के बारे में, तो बताना है पहले फादर मदर, फिर ब्रदर सिस्टर जो भी है। सो माई फादर नेम इज़ कैलाश चंद्र जोशी, श्री कैलाश चंद्र जोशी। ही इज़ अ गवर्नमेंट प्राइमरी टीचर इन गवर्नमेंट प्राइमरी स्कूल रिक्साल, ब्लॉक थैलीसैंड, पौड़ी गढ़वाल, उत्तराखंड। माई मदर इज़ अ हाउस वाइफ इन जबलपुर मध्य प्रदेश। एंड my sister recently completed BSc from physics honors, and she is preparing for the IIT JAM examination. उससे पूछेगा हाउ डू यू स्पेंड टाइम टुगेदर। वी स्पेंड टाइम इन द mean time, like in the breakfast, lunch and in dinner, and in the time between 5 to 5:30, and sometime between 8 and 9 p.m. in which we are free. So we spend time, we talk about what is happening in the family, and what work we should done and in the future, and what are the thing like if the birthday coming in, how to manage the birthday, how to celebrate it. This is all the talk about our village. Sometime a family like my boy is also buying a home, so strategies how to buy वो करके etc. we do in the spend time together. And sometime we work also, like in the garden we do, in the chat, in the maintenance part, in which my mother and Dadi also work with me, and sometimes my sister also joined with us for work. We spend time together. And my activity at home, अब एक्टिविटी पूछेगा तो मेरी एक्टिविटी क्या क्या होगी। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई क्लीन like the roof and the stairs and the courtyard, and I also do gardening in my home. And sometime I clean, sometime नहीं, in the weekend I clean my toilets also, and I buy groceries and maintenance part of our home and vegetables, and spend time with the family in all the way. And yeah, this all the work. And in the lunch and in the dinner, I do preparatory activity like cutting of salads and placing utensils. And in the night time, I lock all my home and lock all the home and prepare for the sleep like मच्छरदानी टांगना and all. I do. इसमें थोड़ा अब पूछेगा हाउ यू अप्रोच प्रॉब्लम होम यू अप्रोच प्रॉब्लम सो माई सिंपल आंसर इज डेट आई सी द प्रॉब्लम एंड सी whom could approach the problem in my home finally. Then I see the problem, then I approach. If my dadi could do that problem, then I talk to my dadi simultaneously to my father and mother. And activity with family, like activity in the maintenance activity, in the group activity, like sometime we do in the gardening like digging and some soiling, some etc. Like that activity sometime I help my mother in cooking and cleaning. If we are cleaning with water the roof, then my mother and I do cleaning of it also. And like buying something from the market and yeah, groceries etc. with my mother sometime. Yeah, expenses, I have very less expensive like 100 to 150 rupees per month, not that much for me. अब पूछेगा अंदर की जानकारी. अब अंदर की जानकारी में पूछेगा कि सिस्टर के पॉजिटिव्स और नेगेटिव्स बताओ, है ना. वैसे फादर के पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव बताओ और मदर के पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव बताओ. इसमें ऐसा है कि सबके मतलब ज़रूरी नहीं कि सबका पूछ भी सकता है, नहीं भी पूछ सकता है, पर तुमको रेडी रहना है ना. तो पहला होगा सिस्टर का कि पॉजिटिव पार्ट ऑफ सिस्टर. माई सिस्टर इज़ ऑल्सो अपर हैंड फॉर मी and she is good at dressing sense, so she always corrects me. Second thing is that she is a revolutionary for our house. She did some revolution task like like some spirituality in which we are doing in the wrong way in the puja activity, so she did. Third thing is she always care me and always help me because she is in upper hand for me, so did tasks when I was in the childhood. And for me in the studies also, because she is undergraduate in physics, and whenever I feel difficulty in physics in my 11th and 12th, I could ask to her, then she clearly explains me. And cons क्या हो सकता है कि she always tease me and sometimes slap me and sometimes when I am sleeping she used to tease me, like sometimes slap me, and I could wake up, then she started laughing, so these are the actually I do not like for her. The father की pros में, father is a good decision maker and also a good for my counseling for my career, and always encouraging and optimistic for me, and always sympathize me if I could fail that sometimes I fail, or sometimes if I feel demotivated or when I am sad, then my father clearly motivate me to run for the further because my father is a teacher. For my mother pros होंगे. Yeah, my mother is a good money saver. Second, a good administrative, like a manager for our house. Third is a good skill because my mother came from a village and she did not know how to cook food. She learned from from my dadi in Jabalpur, and also she learned tailor. She is a fine tailor. She did a 6 months diploma of it also. Yes, and always thinks about my family and good welfare she has for our family. How could we save money and how could we proceed further for our family? In all, my mother is a Lakshmi for our house. The cons, the weakness of my mother is that my mother is not good at technology. Some 6 to 8 years happened. My mother till now could not use mobile very much and could not know about the activity. Whenever I tell him, she forgot it. So this is the problem of the mother. And for father, my father did not pay much attention to his health because he has a busy schedule from 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. in the working hours when he goes to the village. So he did not get time to think about his physical activities. So this is the con of my father. अब पूछेगा स्पेयर टाइम में क्या करते हो. So in the spare time, I usually follow my hobbies, like I do astrology, so I see the horoscope and do prediction about the Jatak. And second thing that I go for gardening, like a plant that I grown up, then play with my younger brothers and talk with my grandfather, grandmother, and my mother, and do some home activity that are required, and use social media, YouTube for entertainment, and Instagram and Facebook also, and watch sometimes TV like comical shows. and I spare my time in that way. अब इंटरेस्ट की बात आएगी, इंटरेस्ट में आएगा दो चीज़ आएगा, एस्ट्रोलॉजी आएगा और आएगा दूसरा गार्डनिंग आएगा. तो एस्ट्रोलॉजी बताना है कि एस्ट्रोलॉजी इज़ द सब्जेक्ट और कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ फिजिक्स, geography and mathematics, in which we study these three subjects, and also history sometime, because we study history of planets also. So this is simple. Astrology is totally dependent on 12, 9, 12. There are 12 houses and 12 zodiac signs and 9 planets. It is a study of these three, and we could get the result. There is the alignment of planet in the solar system. Mainly when the people get born, there are some alignment at that point of time in the solar system that happened in the 12th house of the horoscope. And the astrologer main aim is to study the horoscope, the 12 houses, the 9 planets and the 12 zodiac signs, and give the prediction of it, that what the thing could be happen in the future and how could you tackle that problem, because that the problem will come, but how you tackle the astrologer will tell you then how you could tackle that problem, so the problem can be pacified and it did not get much affected to it. Because the simple thing is that in the earth, if you want to live, then you have to work, but the astrology gives you direction and how could you work so that in the minimum effort you can get the maximum output. So this is all about astrology, and I am learning in it, and I am in the learning phase of it. I recently covered 10 to 10 to 20 to 20% of the syllabus, and I'm learning it further. Second thing is the gardening. I do gardening in the regular basis. Like I do indoor gardening. However, we have a garden, but the garden is full of long trees like amrud, kela, neebu, sitafal, and papita and adu. So I do not get space anyway, so I do indoor gardening. Like I do aglaomena, morass, and money plant, snake plant, and grass plant. Like I grow and in the house also. So I grow and I do watering for it, and it acts as a decoration for our house also, and it gives a positive oxygen to all the family members. So it is good for the gardening. गार्डनिंग पूछ सकता है क्या है करना, वो छोड़ो उसमें. अब पूछेगा, हम लोग एंड में आ रहे हैं. हाँ, मसला पानी भी क्या. अब भाई लोग पूछेगा रूटीन है ना, सबका अपना अपना रूटीन होता है, तो रूटीन पूछेगा. तो रूटीन में बताना है कि कैसा होगा रूटीन, तो मैं वही बताऊंगा. सर माई डे स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 5 AM till 5:30 PM. Sorry, till 5:30 AM I get freshen up and I do a 10 minutes Surya Namaskar for my stretching, and then from 5:30 AM till 6:30 AM I go for a brisk walk. I cover 8 kilometers in 1 hour. Then I come back and I take half hour for cool down. Then from 7 to 8 I clean my courtyard, roof, stairs, and help my mother in different activities like sometimes cleaning and some mopping, sweeping, etc. What my mother tells me, I do that. From 8 to 9 PM, from 8 to 10 AM, I study. I prepare for myself for college, and I also bath. Then I take my breakfast, and from 10 to 2 PM, I go for college and come back. From 2 PM to 3 PM, I indulge me. I indulge me in the preparatory activity for the lunch. I cut salads and I place utensils for the lunch. I take lunch. Then I sometimes talk with my family member. Then from 3 PM to 4 PM I take a nap. Then after waking up from nap, from 4 PM to 5 PM I surf the social media and see YouTube videos, Instagram and Snapchat and Facebook. Like whatever message come then I react, and I also watch memes. Then from 5 to 5:30 PM I prepare tea as snacks and serve it to my grandfather, grandmother, and my mother. From 5:30 to 7:30 PM I go for outdoor activity. It depends with my friends. Then from the 8 to 9 PM I come back. Then from 8 to 9 PM I study astrology. Then from 9 to 10 PM I take my dinner and prepare for the dinner, and also for the sleeping. Like I place the machardani and lock all the house and gates, and then also place bed sheet for grandfather and grandmother. Then from 10 to 11 PM I study the miscellaneous like for SSB, and sometimes miscellaneous for college. then from 11 p.m. to 5 a.m. I sleep. ये मैंने एक क्वेश्चन छोड़ दिया, वो मेरे बारे में हो सकता है कि अपनी स्ट्रेंथ और अपनी वीकनेस बताओ। स्ट्रेंथ है मेरी कॉमेडी और वीकनेस है मेरी थिक थाइस। हर डिफरेंट। तो पहला है कि स्ट्रेंथ की मैंने अपनी तो देखा ही नहीं स्ट्रेंथ। हाँ, तो पहली स्ट्रेंथ होगी मेरी कि आई एम अ वेरी एक्सट्रोवर्ट पर्सन। आई मेक फ्रेंड्स वेरी इजीली। Second thing, I'm a comical person. I also make the environment very jolly, and I never fight or never create a fuss or hustle in the group things. And third thing is that I am also a firm believer to think, and I am also adamant in myself that I could achieve something. There are lines for myself like निश्चय कर अपनी जीत करूँ, that whatever मैं जो ठान लूँगा वो मैं करके बताऊँगा. There are three qualities of my. And the weakness of mine is sometimes stamina. I have weak stamina. I am working for it. Like I am currently walking. Soon I will start running to gain my stamina. Is all the thing. अब आएगा फैक्चुअल क्वेश्चन आएंगे, ठीक है। तो फैक्चुअल क्वेश्चन मैं जा रहा हूँ एयरफोर्स के लिए। उससे पहले हाँ, अब मुझे गार्डनिंग में कौन कौन पसंद है? एग्लोमेना और मॉन्स्टेरा। एग्लोमेना मॉन्स्टेरा लगाता हूँ। और हाँ, रूटीन में एक चीज़ भूल गया। देखो, ये हो गया जो वर्किंग आवर्स का रूटीन हो गया कि मैं कॉलेज आता हूँ। अब पूछेंगे वीकेंड का क्या है, वीकेंड में क्या करते हो? सो माई ऑल द रूटीन इज सेम एक्सेप्ट 10 AM to 2 PM slot. In that slot I spend with my family members and buy groceries and the rest of the work that I could do in the weekends, like grocery, vegetable maintenance, electrical appliance buying. I sometimes go to the big market for any of the thing that is required in the home. I spend with family member and also play with my juniors and watch TV and some web series and also go for outing with my friends. It depends on day to day in the weekend, ऐसा बोल सकता हूँ मैं। अब आएगा फैक्चुअल कि तुम्हें कहाँ जाना है। तुम्हें कहाँ जाना है, तो पहले मैं बोलूँगा आई वांट टू गो फॉर द एयरफोर्स ग्राउंड ड्यूटी ब्रांच, स्पेशली नॉन टेक ब्रांच इन विच ATC इन द एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव ब्रांच। तो वो पूछेगा ATC क्या है, तो मैं बोलूँगा सर ATC फुल फॉर्म इज एयर ट्रैफिक कंट्रोलर। इट जनरली मैनेज द टेक ऑफ एंड लैंडिंग ऑफ द एयरक्राफ्ट्स and also the clearance of the airspace and coordinate with the pilot for the betterment and better fly of the aircrafts. Then it's generally the ATC function is that it has a aerodrome in which ATC sits. They have their headphones and the controlling operation control system they have. And second thing is that they have radar, primary and secondary radar in the air dome in the upper portion. And the aircraft that are coming, the aircraft transponder. So the primary radar send the signal to the transponder, then the transponder transmit the signal to the secondary radar, and all the information transfers like the name of the aircraft, the altitude in which the flying, and all the things that are required that get ATC. Then ATC give them the parts and the highway in which they have to land. This is the work of ATC, and also the clearance if there are some taxis and in the highway, so the clearance of the highway also done by the ATC. It is a very crucial job because it is a direct contact with the 2 or 1 lives of the aircraft, 2 or 1 lives in the aircraft, and also the aircraft management. So that's why I want to join the ATC. ये हो गया ATC के बारे में। पूछेगा एयरफोर्स के बारे में कि कितने कमांड है, तो मैं बोल दूँगा भाई 7 कमांड है, 5 ऑपरेशनल कमांड, 1 मेंटेनेंस कमांड एंड 1 ट्रेनिंग कमांड। ऑपरेशन कमांड में वेस्टर्न एयर कमांड न्यू दिल्ली, ईस्टर्न एयर कमांड शिलोंग, एंड साउथ वेस्टर्न कमांड गांधीनगर, सेंट्रल कमांड इलाहाबाद, और सदर्न कमांड तिरुवनंतपुरम, एंड मेंटेनेंस कमांड नागपुर, एंड ट्रेनिंग कमांड बेंगलुरु। अब इसके बाद पूछेगा व्हाट इज़ द वर्क ऑफ एयरफोर्स। तो एयरफोर्स वर्क इज़ द सिक्योरिटी ऑफ द आवर एयर स्पेस एंड ऑल्सो इन द calamity when it happens, and the security of our personals and taking out of it, आपदाओं में लोगों को बचाना ये कार्य होता है एयरफोर्स का। और also motto of Air Force, so motto of is नभः स्पर्शम दीप्तम, in English touch the sky of glory, that came from the 11th chapter of the Gita, that the Krishna gives sermon to the Arjun. The insignia of IF roundel, in which the outer portion is of orange color, middle is of white, and inner is green. And IF flag is ग्रीन वाइट एंड ऑरेंज, है ना. फ्लैग होता है, और जो आई एफ का फ्लैग होता है पूरा बड़ा फ्लैग होता है, यहाँ पर राउंडल होता है, यहाँ पर फ्लैग होता है. और एडॉप्शन हुआ था 1951 में. और फिर ब्रांचेस क्या क्या होती है, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है. तो एयरफोर्स वर्क अंडर 3 ब्रांचेस: फ्लाइंग, ग्राउंड ड्यूटी टेक, एंड ग्राउंड ड्यूटी नॉन टेक. इन द फ्लाइंग देयर आर 3 टाइप ऑफ what we call pilots, for fighter pilot and helicopter pilot and transport pilot. In the tech there are 2 engineers, mechanical and electronics. In the non-tech there are 5 to 6 branches, like administrative branch, accounts branch, logistic branch, meteorology branch, education branch, weapon system branch, and medical branch and dental branch of IF. उसके बाद आएगा चीफ ऑफ एयर स्टाफ कौन है. तो एयर चीफ मार्शल विवेक राम चौधरी, PVSM, AVSM, SM एंड ADC ये होंगे. और फर्स्ट एयर मार्शल होंगे एयर चीफ मार्शल अर्जन सिंह, वो अवार्डेड इन 2002. अब उसके बाद बोलेंगे IF का डिवीज़न बताओ. तो CWSS होता है क्या, CWSSFS. तो C से होगा कमांड, डेट इज हेडेड बाय GOC, जनरल ऑफिसर कमांडिंग इन चीफ. सेकेंड इज विंग इज कमांडिंग बाय जनरल ऑफिसर कमांडर, और CWSS. then third is station is commanded by the air commodore. And then fourth is the squadron. The squadron is divided in 2 parts. The fighter squadron is commanded by wing commander, and transport and helicopter by squadron leader. Then the flight is commanded by the squadron leader, and then section is commanded by flight lieutenant. In this और स्क्वाड्रन में 18 एयरक्राफ्ट होते हैं. उसके बाद पूछेगा रैंक सिस्टम बताओ, जवान से लेकर ऑफिसर तक. तो आएगा एयरमैन, लीड इन एयर क्राफ्ट्समैन, कॉर्पोरल, सर्जेंट. एयर NOCs, NCOs नॉन कमीशन्ड ऑफिसर. देन JCOs आर जूनियर वारंट ऑफिसर एंड मास्टर वारंट ऑफिसर. They are JCOs. Then comes the CO, commissioned officer, flying officer, flight lieutenant, squadron leader, wing commander, group captain, air commodore, air vice marshal, air chief marshal, and marshal of the Indian Air Force. इंसिग्निया पूछेगा तो LAC का एक wing, 2 wings in the shoulder, in the elbow, this part, and then LAC, then corporal 2 फीते, then sergeant 3 फीते, then JWO 1 circle, inside it there are Ashok Stamp and IF sign. Then the warrant officer 1 circle, same with the roundel, that is, and with 1 strip, and MWO a roundel with 2 strip. Then the flying officer 1 strip on the shoulder, flight lieutenant 2 strip, squadron leader 2 strip, in between there are single thick strip. Then the wing commander 3 strip, group captain 4 strip, air commodore a wide 1 strip of 2 dark navy blue color and 1 light blue color. Then air marshal 1 that thick and 1 that thin, and air vice marshal, air marshal 1 or 2, और एयर चीफ मार्शल 3. पूछेगा 5 एयरक्राफ्ट के नाम बताओ. तो बताएंगे पहले. फर्स्ट होगा सुखोई Su-30 MKI, that is twin engine, twin seater, multi role aircraft of Russian origin, and speed is 2.35 Mach. Second will be MiG-29, that is of Russian origin, twin engine single seater aircraft, that is air superiority aircraft. Third is Jaguar, Specuet Jaguar. That is a twin engine single seater of Anglo-France origin. And fourth will be Dassault Mirage. That is of French. I'm confused in that. French origin of 2.3 Mach, a single seater aircraft, and it is of multi-role aircraft. And fifth is LCA Tejas, that is a newly aircraft of our Indian Air Force. And seventh is the Rafale, of French origin, France origin. And then आपको पूछेगा हेलीकॉप्टर बताओ, तो मी-17, मी-26, मी-35, अपाचे, HAL चेतक, HAL ध्रुव, चिनूक, ये हो गए. उसके बाद ट्रांसपोर्ट का पूछेगा तो C-130J and C-17 Globemaster and AN-32 and IL-78. और उसके बाद ट्रेनिंग का पूछेगा HJT किरण एंड सुपर डिमोना पिलेटा C7 MKI. ये हो गया. उसके बाद क्या पूछेगा, इतना तो हो गया. हाँ 40 मिनट भी हो गए. उसके बाद कोई फैक्चुअल क्वेश्चन पूछ सकता है लाइक कबड्डी क्रिकेट का, तो मैं बता दूंगा. फिजिक्स पूछेगा तो मैं बोल दूंगा सर नहीं बनता, मत पूछो. हो गया ख़त्म.